Here comes an UPS truck, and I think it has a certain silver play button award. Yeah. You take this. Let's go get it. Don't make it so loud. I don't want to make the guy uncomfortable. You just stay there. Hey.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. There we go.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good one.
You too. Thank you.
Oh my God.
So I could do this.
Oh,
Here it is, everyone.
here it is. Yes.
Okay. And I'm going to be opening this up on camera. And also going to be live streaming it. But I got it. Finally. A lot of years of struggle and hard work. I have a lot more to say about that in a little bit. When I have it in my hands, I can show it to you guys. Yeah. Waiting a long time. Okay. You know, that means let's get to the rest of this video. Alright, here it is. As I said, I'm live streaming this too, everyone, so you can see this twice. I cover up the label so not to show my address. Thought it'd be better that way. And yeah, let's open this bad guy up. Luckily I got some scissors. Here goes, everyone. So basically you're going to see this video kind of twice. Actually, you know what? I'm going to set this up differently. I decided to put you down. Why use one hand? I'm going to use two. It's a small box. These up to a year ago, these were bigger, and they shrunk them about June or July of, if I understand, last year. So, which is okay. Oh, yep, got one more tape. Gotta make sure this thing's secure. Come on. Alright. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at this. Has a nice felt covering on it, as you all can see. Alright. Let's remove this felt, or whatever you want to call it, this padding. Oh. And it comes, looks like, first off, let me show you. Showing both of you. There's a letter and a card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Hey, maybe it's Rick Grimes from The Walking Dead. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. Cool, like a little cool business card souvenir. Here it is. Yeah, it is. And here is the letter, which is supposed to be signed by the president of YouTube, but it does not look like it is actually signed. I think it's just a copy. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how many, or no matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and the numbers increased because of you and the community you built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your community and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. Isn't that great? Getting a little emotional here. And here it is. Presented to the Presidential Tourist for passing 100,000 subscribers. And I'll take it out of the box so you can see it even better. A few things underneath there I'll show you in a minute. But it comes in this bag, as you can see. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty, guys. Sorry, I'm not reading the comments. I'll go back to check them out in a minute. But I gotta show both cameras. Here it is. And here it is. And I'm gonna do the pausing for the awkward thumbnail. Then you do a better one later, but here it is. And it has 2 holes in the back to hang it on the wall. They got felt backing. It's a little bit heavier than I thought. I'm not sure exactly what's inside this. Someone cut one open once and they said it was like plywood or something. I don't know if that's true or not. But I'm gonna, wait a minute. I know she's getting tired, so I'm gonna have her put that down in a minute. But here comes recognizing your team. You can actually buy some more of these if you're a YouTuber that works with like a team of people, and give them one too if you wanted to. I thought it said you have up to 30 days, and after that you can't. I don't know if that's still true or not. It comes with this card about it, and then here, super dry. Oh, desiccant. I bet you this. Yeah, this is probably to keep moisture out of the package. That was in there, and then that's it. That box is empty. So you get this desiccant thing in there. Oh yeah, I gotta show you guys this because I keep forgetting I'm filming 2 different places. All right. But yeah. I won't lie, I got emotional reading that letter. It's been, definitely been a long road. Wait a minute. Definitely been a long road. And, yeah. Here, I could probably hold that now. Okay. I could hold this now while it's charging. I'll say more to you guys in a second. I'm going to handle this live stream for a few more minutes. Whoops. Anyway, guys. But I want to add here at the end, I want to thank everyone for supporting me, especially some of my long-term subscribers, because there's been some people that's been subscribed to my channel for many years, some almost from the very beginning, and you stuck with me during slow times and all the issues I've had, and it means a lot to me. I also owe a lot to some of my YouTube friends, because, well, pretty much all my YouTube friends, I don't have too many friends in my life. Most of them is because of YouTube. And if it wasn't for you all, you know, Mom and I, we just wouldn't be able to talk to too many people. So I'm very grateful for YouTube and you all for that. Because no one should be alone. And it's just, you know, it means a lot to me. But of course I want to thank my biggest supporter, Mom. Come on, say hi.
Hi.
She's behind the camera. She's a little shy today. But she's definitely been supporting me. I know she didn't probably fully understand YouTube in the beginning. And probably didn't fully understand how important this was to me at first. but she's been supporting it, even though it's taking a lot of time, effort, and definitely some money. Doing what I do is not cheap, and I'm not a rich person. I struggle with bills. So to be able to put any of the little bit of money that I have into this, it's definitely a struggle, but I think it's worth it in the end, because I'm not just talking because this, because of this, but it's worth it because of the friendships I made, the journey to get here, the cool places I've visited, the things I've learned. I've been able to expand my mind, and but especially because of the relationships and the friendship I've gained from this. It made all the effort and the money that was spent on this worth it. I hope one day that this can actually be a career where I can actually make enough money to support myself off of it. We'll see. I mean, I think this is a big step to getting there, and to finally have this. I know some people think, oh, it's just a plaque, and I guess that's basically what it is, but it's an achievement, because getting to 100,000 subscribers is not easy, and it gets harder and harder every year because there's more and more people who want to do this. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Competition's good. Would Coke be as great without Pepsi, or Pepsi be as great without Coke? But it's just harder to get noticed. And I know there's YouTubers out there, people out there, and not just YouTube. You have TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. There's a lot of social media influencers, and it's really a big world. So it's hard to get noticed, and that's just a fact. And that's just how it is. I know there are ones out there. I can only speak to really YouTube, but there's other social media people I know who does far better than me. They have the skill and the means. If you have better skill with camera work and editing, and you have the money, you can do a lot better videos than me. I'm aware of that. I know. I'm not arrogant to think I'm the best at what I do. No, I'm not. I definitely have improved from the beginning. I improved my equipment. I need to improve my equipment more, and I hope to do that next year. Again, I'm limited by finances, But I think I've also improved my style. I think I film better. And I definitely do better with uploading, or editing. At one time, I would film a video, and when I would stop filming, that's it. I would upload that and not combine it with others, because I didn't know how to do it. No one showed me how to do this. I had to learn on my own, so it's definitely been tough. While my video editing is decent, it definitely can improve, and I'm working on improving that. So I want to bring you all the best content possible that I can do within the means that I'm able to do it. So any way I can make it better, I'm working on it. And I did some more recent improvements, and I have some more improvements to you, because I owe you all the best content that I could provide. And that's why I try to show it, because look, I know there's a lot of people think I was dumb to film what I do, but I know there's a lot of people who want to see it. Look, when I film Disney videos, and I know a lot of people do it, but there's a lot of people out there who never will get to visit Walt Disney World, but they like to see what goes on there. And there might be someone who's a Mickey Mouse fan or a Figment fan and want to see the meet and greets. I like showing that. That's one of the main reasons why I do it, because I get to share my part of the world with other parts of the world who might never get here, either physically impossible or financially impossible. When I go to a museum, I show off the history. It helps promote them. It helps get their word out, and I get to share with parts of the world who might not ever get a chance to see, or might not even know they exist. When I do a restaurant, like I did Unfiltered Coffee Shop, I do that to share a really cool place run by great people, and there's a lot of people who might not know that place exists, and they might want to visit it, and it helps them build up their business and make more money, and supports them. That's another reason why I do these like restaurant reviews too, to help promote local restaurants and to help them, because it's a tough world, it's a tough economy, and any help they can get, why not? And that's why I enjoy filming restaurant review videos. But there's a lot of reasons why I do it, but I like to just share my part of the world where I'm at, because I know a lot of people will not be able to ever come here, or there's places I show that there's people that live here have no idea that place exists. And I know for a fact there's been many times I've gotten messages from people saying, I appreciate you did this video. I didn't know that restaurant or that business existed. I'm going to go. And they ended up went, and they made a sale and made some money. So I think it's good that we're helping each other, and I get to share my part of the world. But that's one of the reasons why I do what I do. But I appreciate the recognition of this. And I'm going to do it again. Pausing for the awkward thumbnail. Okay. Yeah. I'm glad I got a look at that. There's a mirror there. You can actually see. I can see that's actual mirror. I can see my reflection. Alright, so these were bigger a year ago and they shrunk them down. Probably so they're not as expensive to make. I don't think that's actual metal. I think that might be plastic, but I'm not sure. It's still cool either way. I don't care. I'm proud and honored to have this, and I wouldn't have got it without your all support. Alright, I'm going to go. I probably made this video much longer than it had to be, but I was definitely very proud of this, and you see I got emotional. I was getting teary-eyed. And yeah, really cool. Alright, thank you everyone. Bye. You know, that means time to get on to the next video. Alright.